Hey everyone, it's Rita. So, you're thinking about a career in healthcare, thinking about becoming an Operating Department Practitioner, an ODP. It's incredible, right? That heart, that drive to care for others, it never fades. And becoming an ODP, well, it's a direct line to making a real difference in people's lives, right when they need it most. I get it, life's journey has its twists and turns. Maybe you're starting a little later, maybe there's a family depending on you. Trust me, I've been there. Juggling it all, the dreams, the responsibilities, it's a delicate dance. But here's the thing, it's doable, it takes planning, it takes grit, but it's absolutely possible. Over these next few minutes, we're going to break it all down, step by step. Consider this your crash course, your personal roadmap to navigating the journey to becoming an ODP, all while keeping that beautiful life balance in check. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty, the research, the qualifications, the juggling act of family and studies. And hey, remember this, you're not alone. This community, we're here to support each other. So grab your notepad, maybe a cup of tea, and let's do this. Ready to make those dreams a reality? Let's go. Before we dive into the how-to, let's take a moment to truly understand what it means to be an ODP. It's not just a job, it's a calling. You're a vital part of the surgical team, working alongside surgeons, nurses, anaesthetists, everyone working in sync. You're there for the patient every step of the way, from pre-op prep to post-op recovery. You're their advocate, their source of comfort, and your expertise ensures everything runs smoothly in that operating room. Take some time to really immerse yourself in the role. Read articles, watch documentaries, maybe even shadow an ODP if you can. Talk to people in the field, get a feel for the demands, the rewards, the emotional landscape. Is this the right fit for you? What are your motivations? What do you hope to achieve? Honest self-reflection now will lay the foundation for a strong and fulfilling career later on. Okay, let's take a look at where you stand right now. Dust off that old file, the one with all those certificates and qualifications. Remember GCSEs? A-levels? See what you've got. Typically, you'll need those GCSEs in English, maths, and science to even get started. Don't worry if you're missing something or if it's been a while since you've been in a classroom. There are ways to bridge that gap, and we'll get to that in just a bit. This is all about taking stock, understanding your starting point. It's about acknowledging how far you've come and being realistic about the steps ahead. And hey, maybe you'll surprise yourself. Maybe you've got more than you realize. Hidden talents just waiting to be rediscovered. This is about empowerment, about taking control of your future. All right, time to explore the exciting world of accredited ODP programs. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. Remember how we talked about balance? Well, thankfully, there are programs designed specifically for adult learners like you. Think distance learning, part-time courses, even weekend classes. They get it. Life doesn't always fit neatly into a box. Now, every program has its own personality, its own set of entry requirements. So, do your homework. Visit university websites, request brochures, maybe even attend an open day. Talk to current students. Get a feel for the program's culture. Do they offer support for mature students? How about childcare options? Finding the right fit will make this journey so much smoother. Chapter 4. Consider access to higher education, HE, courses. Okay, so maybe those direct entry requirements are staring you down, making you question everything. Don't panic, there's a detour sign for that. It's called Access to HE Diplomas, and it's like a bridge connecting you to your dream career. These diplomas are designed to fill in any educational gaps and get you up to speed for university-level studies. Look for diplomas in relevant fields like health or science. They're designed to give you a solid foundation, a taste of what to expect in a healthcare setting. Plus, they show universities that you're serious, that you're committed to this path. Chapter 5. Apply to an accredited ODP program. This is it, the moment you've been working towards, applying to that ODP program. Remember all that research you did? Now's the time to put it to good use. Choose institutions that resonate with you. Places like Anglia Ruskin or South Bank University. They're known for their excellent ODP programs. When it comes to the application, let your personality shine through. Highlight your maturity, your life experiences, your unwavering commitment to this field. Showcase the skills you've gained as a parent, a caregiver, an employee. Remember, you bring a unique perspective to the table, and that's invaluable. Chapter 6, Plan for Financial Support. Let's talk about finances, because let's face it, education doesn't come cheap. But don't let that discourage you. There are options, resources available to help you navigate this hurdle. Start by researching financial support specifically designed for mature students or those with dependents. Think student loans, bursaries, grants, every bit helps. Don't forget to explore employer sponsorship programs. If you're already working in a healthcare setting, talk to your employer. They might offer tuition reimbursement or even sponsorship opportunities. It's worth having that conversation. Chapter 7. Organize family commitments. This one's close to home, isn't it? Balancing family life with the demands of an ODP program is a juggling act, no doubt. But with a little planning and a whole lot of communication, you can make it work. Sit down with your family, explain your goals, and create a realistic schedule together. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Lean on your support network, your partner, your parents, your friends. Even consider forming study groups with fellow students. Remember, you're not alone in this. We all need a little help sometimes, and that's okay. Chapter 8. Gain clinical experience. Here's where it gets real, the hands-on part of your journey: clinical placements. This is your chance to immerse yourself in the hospital environment, to work alongside experienced professionals, to apply everything you're learning in a real-world setting. Embrace every moment. Don't be afraid to ask questions, to observe, to make mistakes, and learn from them. This is your training ground, your opportunity to hone your skills and discover your strengths. Be a sponge, absorb everything you can. These experiences will shape you as a future ODP. Chapter 9. Leverage work experience. Remember all those years of experience you bring to the table. That's gold, pure gold. Whether you've worked in healthcare before or in a completely different field, those skills are transferable. Did you manage a team? Provide customer service? Solve problems on the fly? Those are all valuable assets in the world of healthcare. Don't be shy about highlighting your experience during your studies and placements. Share your insights, your perspectives, your unique approach to problem solving. You'll be surprised how much your past can inform your future. Chapter 10. Registration and Career Launch. You did it! You've completed your program, you've conquered those clinical placements, and now it's time for the final hurdle: registration. Head over to the Health and Care Professions Council website and apply to become a licensed ODP. It's the official stamp of approval, your ticket to officially join the ranks of healthcare heroes. With your registration in hand, it's time to launch that dream career. Start applying for ODP positions in hospitals, clinics, wherever your heart desires. Remember those connections you made during your placements? Reach out, network, put yourself out there. This is your moment, your chance to make a real difference. Chapter 11. Continuous Professional Development. Congratulations, you're an ODP. But the learning never stops, does it? The world of healthcare is constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace continuous professional development. Attend workshops, take courses, participate in training sessions. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to provide exceptional care. And hey, maybe you'll discover a passion for a specific area, like anesthesia or surgery. Consider specializing. It's a chance to deepen your knowledge, refine your skills, and become a true expert in your field. The possibilities are endless. Outro, you've got this! So there you have it, your roadmap to becoming an ODP, tailored for those of us juggling life's beautiful chaos. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. There will be challenges, long nights, moments of doubt, but I promise you, it's worth it. That feeling of making a difference in someone's life, of being there for them during their most vulnerable moments, it's indescribable. As someone who's been there, who understands the sacrifices and the triumphs, I'm here to tell you, you've got this. Believe in yourself, embrace the journey, and never stop learning. You're capable of amazing things. Now go out there and make us proud. Oh, and one last piece of advice. Remember to celebrate your victories, no matter how small. You earned it.